Alright, here we are on number 8, and this is a compass type of device here, or figure. And they've told us the coordinates of AD and AB are 228 and 329 respectively. And those are marked here, 329, 228. Find angle BAD. Okay, so that's this angle. By now, hopefully everybody knows that by the protractor postulate, we find the positive number of differences between the coordinates. So 101 degrees. 329 minus 228. Then, part B says, find the coordinate of AC, given that angle BAC is 71 degrees. So, let's see where angle BAC is. Here's BAC. Okay, so they're saying that it is 71 degrees. So, if we take the 329, which is the coordinate on the other ray of the angle, and subtract 71, that's the measure of this angle, we get 258. Now, here's a tip for you. Don't just write it in the answer blank. Write it on your figure also, 258. And you can see that makes sense, because that's 258 is between 270 and 228. So we used the known angle measure, 71, subtracted it from the larger coordinate of the two rays, and came up with the answer for the other ray. Alright? Now we're asked to find CAD, angle CAD. See, now you might not know what to do if you haven't marked up your figure. Seems like a little thing, but you'd be surprised how many people don't do that. And then they don't see how they can do it because they're missing information. So angle CAD right here, positive number differences between the coordinates. It's 258, 228. So that's 30 degrees. Not too hard there. Alright. Then it says find the angle CAE given that AD bisects angle CAE. Alright, so since it bisects it, that means it cuts it in half. CAE, right here, that's this one. Alright, so it bisects it. So this ray, AD, bisects the angle. And we know that this is a 30-degree angle. Well, we also know an angle bisector will split an angle into two equal angles. So that means this one's also 30 degrees. And so by the betweenness of rays theorem, we can say angle CAE equals 30 plus 30 degrees, or 60 degrees. Okay? Everyone follow that? We use the fact that angle CAD equals 30 degrees, and see how it helped to have it marked up. And then this important information about AD bisecting angle CAE. We knew that one side of the bisector was 30, so the other one also had to be 30. So there you have it. Find the coordinate of AE. Alright, here it is, right here. Okay, so we know this one's 228, and we know this is a 30-degree angle here. So we can use the fact that we have a known angle, subtract it from our larger coordinate, and we find out that the coordinate of AE is 198. There it is. It's all subtracting, finding positive number differences. Not too hard if you know what to do. Again, mark up your figure. As soon as you get a piece of information, put it in the answer place, space here, and also put it on the figure, because it will help you answer the next question. A little piece of advice. Alright, one more.